Hey Chalk Nation, it's your girl Chalk. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll know when the next video is dropping. Everybody that's been a part of the Chalk Nation, y'all already know the drill. Thank you guys so much for subscribing and watching my videos. So in today's video, I have another good hair tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to lay and slay a low, sleek, curly ponytail. So for this particular ponytail, I'm not going to be using any heat, no flat iron, no press and comb, just some good product to mold and blend my hair in with the curly hair that I got from my ponytail. I just took my weave out last night. If you guys missed my tutorial on how to do a traditional side part sew-in weave, make sure you guys go check that video out as well. But yeah, I just took my weave out. So all I did was wash my hair, condition it really good. I let it air dry. I didn't even blow dry it because I just want to be cautious of how much heat I'm putting on my hair. And I just feel like this method that I'm using for this ponytail is good for anybody that doesn't like to apply too much heat to their hair. So with that being said, let's jump right on into the tutorial. Okay, so I have a bundle of some kinky curly hair, and then I have my Denman brush and a good hard brush. You're gonna need a good hard brush and your Denman brush to make everything come together when you're brushing your hair into the ponytail. And then I have some shining jam and some 24-hour edge tamer. If you know, you know. And if you don't know, you will know at the end of this tutorial that this edge control is bomb. And then I have my wrap styling strips that I'm going to be using for the ponytail and some bonding glue. I know I look crazy, y'all, but what I'm doing right here is basically I grabbed a spray bottle with some water in it and sprayed my hair really good, and I grabbed my Denman brush so that I can detangle my hair and make sure it's brushed out really good so that my ponytail will lay nice and flat. You always want to make sure you detangle your hair so that you won't have any lumps and bumps in your ponytail. So I just grabbed a generous amount of the Eco Style gel and I'm applying it to my hair. I just put a nice little glob in my hands and I'm just rubbing it down just to kind of start shaping my hair how I want it to go into the ponytail. I grabbed a little bit more and now I'm paying a little more attention to the back because you want to make sure your hair is nice and saturated so that everything lays nice and smooth. Yeah, we have to take off the glasses because they were getting in the way. But yeah, I'm just rubbing my hair down with the gel. And now I'm taking my Denman brush once again and I'm just working that product through my hair as I'm rubbing my hair down. So I'm brushing and rubbing at the same time so we can start molding and laying and slaying this ponytail. So as I'm using my Denman brush to brush my hair, I'm using my hand to smooth it down. So you just want to brush and smooth at the same time so that everything starts to shape how you want it to shape. And I just added a little bit more on the other side of my hair, and I'm going to do the same thing that I did to the other side of my hair to this side. Brushing everything through with the Denman brush, and I'm using my hand to smooth it down as I'm brushing. And I'm doing the same thing that I did to the other sides of my hair, to the back of my hair, because I want the back to lay nice and flat as well. Now I'm grabbing my hard brush so I can go in with my hard brush to brush everything down super slick and smooth. So you want to brush and rub, brush and rub, brush and rub, brush and rub, brush and rub. That is the sequence. Brush and rub, brush and smooth, brush and smooth. And just keep doing that all around your head. So we got that side brushed and smoothed. Now we're going around to the back and we're going to brush and smooth the back. And now we're going to the other side, brush and smooth, brush and smooth. Keep going. Trust the process, y'all. Trust the process. Stay with me. Now I'm just about to grab my hair tie and put everything into a ponytail. I know it's not looking how you think it's supposed to look right now, but just trust the process. Trust me on this. Stay with me. Okay, so now it's about to get real because I'm grabbing that 24-hour edge control and I'm super excited. Yes. You can see the excitement on my face because the ponytail is just about to get so slick and smooth. And that's the amount that I'm using for now. But don't be shy with it, it's okay. And I'm just applying it to the front of my hair. And I'm just using my hand to rub it down right now. Rubbing down the other side. But just wait, just you wait. It gets better. Trust me, trust the process. It gets better. Stay with me, y'all. Do you see the transformation that it is making already? Just wait, just wait. Okay, so to seal everything in, I'm grabbing my hard brush and I'm brushing and smoothing, and look how sleek it's getting with just a couple brushes. When I tell y'all this edge control is the truth, it is the truth. I swear by it, I stand by it. It's mine and I'ma stick beside it. And I'm not doing too much baby hair. I'm just doing a little swoop like that on each side. I'm not getting crazy with the swirls. Y'all be OD with the swirls. But I just want it to be nice and smooth with just a little bit of baby hair on the side. So instead of braiding my hair in a braid, I decided to use the rubber band method. I just took like 4 or 5 rubber bands and rubber band my ponytail down to prepare it to be wrapped up with the wrapping strips. And I'm just giving you guys a view of how I rubber banded my hair to protect it before I put the wrapping strips on. Everything is nice and laid. And now we're gonna start using the wrapping strips. I got them at my local beauty supply store. And basically what I'm gonna do is wrap my natural hair up with those strips to protect it, because I will be using bonding glue to apply the tracks to my ponytail. So I just took a strip off and then I'm gonna start at the base of the ponytail and wrap down. So now I'm grabbing my bonding glue and I'm just gonna apply it to a piece of the track because we are gonna start wrapping this hair around our ponytail. So you just wanna put it on a little bit of the track, not the whole track, because in between I'm gonna be blow drying as I'm applying it to the ponytail. And we're gonna start at the tip of the ponytail. And I'm using my finger to hold the hair down while I'm using my other hand to bring the hair around to wrap it. And you want to really take your time and do this because, first of all, you're not in a rush. You want everything to come out nice and come out the right way. This part can be a little challenging, especially if you have nails like I do. So I'm really just taking my time and making sure I'm using my fingers the way that I need to use them to wrap this hair around my ponytail correctly. And now I'm gonna grab my blow dryer and blow dry that part that I just wrapped so that it sticks and it stays. And as you can see, I'm still holding on to that piece that I wrapped with my other hand while I'm blow drying with my other hand so that everything stays in place. So we're moving right along to the next piece of hair that we're going to be wrapping, and we are just applying some glue there. It's kind of hard to do this and use my phone as a mirror, but I'm making it happen for y'all. Just stay with me. So now we are wrapping some more. And we're just gonna keep wrapping it up the ponytail. And once I get done with this portion of wrapping, I'm gonna blow it dry again and continue up the ponytail. So I did blow dry that last section, and now I'm moving on to the next portion. And we're just applying our glue once again. I had to look in the mirror on this part, so I'm sorry if I'm out of the frame of the camera, but I'm really being careful because I don't want to get glue all over the hair. So yes, I just applied a little bit of glue to that section, and now I'm going to wrap this section. So I finished wrapping the whole ponytail, and now I just pulled a piece of the hair out to wrap it around the base of the ponytail. And I'm grabbing a bobby pin just to pin that piece that I wrapped around the base down. And I'm just swooping everything in with a small comb. And then I'm gonna go behind my comb with my hard brush just to brush everything down and make sure it's nice and slick. And like I said, I'm not doing too many baby hairs, just a couple little swoops, a little swoopy doo boom boom right there. And then the next thing I'm gonna do is grab my silk scarf and tie it down, and I'm gonna leave it wrapped up for about 30 minutes. And when I unwrap it, everything should be nice and slick, sleek, slayed, and smooth. Okay, just wait for it, y'all. Just wait. And just like that, this ponytail is laid and slayed. It's very much giving waves and curls. Yes! And now I'm outside with it. I'm feeling good. I'm looking good. My hair is slayed. So I'm outside. I'm about to go run some errands. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I loved doing it. As always, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you know when the next video is dropping, Chalk Nation. I love you guys. Thanks so much for watching. Y'all be safe. Peace.